Hey guys, it's finally happening. This right here is a 3D model of a Formula 1 style, or maybe like a modern GT3 style or GTE style steering wheel. Magnetic paddle shifters right here on the top, and the bottom row is going to be a dual clutch system. Really nice for standing starts. The handle part is going to be about 3 centimeters thick, and this part right here, this is where this little guy is going to go. There's a little Windows program. It connects to iRacing, and then it sends all the information you see on the screen right here to the screen. So you have brake bias, fuel, ABS, traction control, the gear, RPM, session timer. It's all going to come straight out of the game, and it's going to be sent to your screen, which will be right here, sitting right in front of you. If you're on headphones, you have 5 seconds to turn down the volume just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because over here, the first part is being printed. This is the left faceplate, the thumb, hold on, goes right in here, and then we have LEDs on this side, and buttons all the way around the thumb. So, as I said, it's finally happening.